Picture this. Last spring, my backyard was basically a sad patch of grass with a beat-up table that screamed neglect. Zero energy, zero chill. One weekend, I sanded and stained the wood, added a bubbling fountain, and suddenly it was my favorite spot. Tea in hand, water trickling, and I felt real peace, like I was giving my mood a serious upgrade. That's when it hit me. Renovations aren't only for looks. They're about feeling better in your own space every single day. And if you're planning a spring project, let's talk about how to make your home actually support your well-being. If you're eyeing a renovation, don't chase trends. Let's focus on upgrades that boost your mood, slash your stress, and make your space work for you. I'll walk you through some practical wins that deliver real happiness, not just likes. Here's a curveball. Harvard research links poor indoor air quality to everything from brain fog to higher risk of serious mental health issues in kids. Tiny particles sneak in, mess with your focus, your sleep, even your mood. Yet the right project, like replacing old carpets with hard flooring, upgrading ventilation, or even adding houseplants, can make a night and day difference in how you feel. Here's a renovation tip. If you're redoing floors, go for low VOC materials. If you're renovating the kitchen or bath, consider installing a fresh air vent or a whole house air filter. Invisible upgrades, huge payoffs. Let me give you a real life example. I had a client whose kitchen was cramped, dark, and totally chaotic. Every meal felt stressful. We opened up a wall to connect the kitchen to the dining room, increased natural light with a new window, and replaced old cabinets with open shelving. Results: the whole family started cooking together, eating at the table, and even lingering to talk. The kitchen became the heart of their home, and everyone's stress dropped. All from rethinking the flow and the light. Remodel tip. If you're planning a kitchen or living area project, prioritize natural light, clear walkways, and easy access to what you use most. Sometimes opening a wall or changing the layout is the best well-being investment you can make. Colors matter. Blues and greens calm you down. Yellows and soft pinks can energize or inspire. Sound is sneaky. Bare floors and walls turn every noise into an echo chamber. Add a rug. Install soft closed drawers. Or hang a tapestry to soak up the sound and create calm. Never underestimate texture. You don't have to live in a museum. A plush rug, limestone walls, or wood ceiling panels can turn a cold room into a comfort zone. Here's something most people miss. Renovations can cue better habits. Build a dry bar and keep all your coffee, teas, and snacks more appealing to the eye. Create a mudroom or drop zone. You'll cut entryway chaos. Upgrade your shower with a bench or a rainfall shower head. Suddenly, self-care is part of your routine. Tie the space to the life you want, rather to the look. Renovation isn't only about what you see. Good insulation means quieter nights and lower bills. Better lighting means fewer headaches and more energy. Soft closed doors means less slamming, more peace. It's okay if your project isn't Pinterest perfect. The best homes are lived in, not just looked at. And don't forget, comparison steals your joy. Choose what feels good for you. You don't need a huge budget for a happiness upgrade. Try these. Swap harsh overheads for cozy lamps or dimmers. Paint one wall a calming color. Add a plant or two. NASA says they're air cleaning champs. Upgrade your bedding. Soft sheets, better sleep. Create a drop zone by the door for keys, mail, and even your shoes. Each little change is a vote for your own well-being. This spring, do not renovate for looks. Renovate for your life. Pick one project, big or small, that genuinely makes you feel better at home. If you want a renovation plan that's about your well-being rather than passing trends, I can help you figure out what actually makes a difference. Here's your challenge. Choose one thing this week: a new floor, a kitchen tweak, and an uninspiring corner, and make it happen. Then notice how you feel. Share your project in the comments or DM me. I'd love to hear your story, and maybe next time, feature it. Home isn't a place, it's a feeling, and you get to build it one choice at a time.